Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to control explicit content on the Spotify application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Click on the home icon down below, which is the first option, and then you should click on the settings icon that you can find in the upper right corner of the screen. Then scroll down till you find the explicit content section in the middle of the screen, so click on it. And as you can see, there is this function that you can turn on, thereby allowing explicit content while you are listening to songs that contain this kind of content. However, these are quite visible since they are labeled with the E tag that you can see down below. So if you turn it on, then first of all you need your Touch ID for Spotify in order to turn on this function, and by turning off you are going to be able to skip these kind of content. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.